Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering Data Visualization, Lecture 8. In this lecture we will learn about data visualization with Python, introduction to Python libraries for data visualization, creating static and interactive visualizations with Python, customizing plots and charts using Python, combining data visualization with data analysis in Python, best practices for data visualization in Python, conclusion. Introduction to Python libraries for data visualization. Data visualization is a powerful tool that allows us to better understand and communicate insights from complex data sets. In today's world, where data is abundant and growing at an exponential rate, it has become more important than ever to be able to effectively visualize and communicate data. That's where Python libraries for data visualization come in. Python offers a range of powerful libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly that enable us to create stunning visualizations with ease. These libraries provide a wide range of tools and options for creating both static and interactive visualizations, allowing us to explore and communicate data in new and exciting ways. Creating static and interactive visualizations with Python. Python offers a variety of libraries for data visualization, including Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. These libraries allow users to create both static and interactive visualizations with ease. Matplotlib is a basic library that allows users to create simple plots and charts quickly. Seaborn, on the other hand, provides more advanced features such as statistical graphics and color palettes. Finally, Plotly is a web-based tool that allows users to create interactive visualizations easily. To create static visualizations using these libraries, users can simply use the built-in functions and methods provided by each library. However, creating interactive visualizations requires a bit more effort. With Plotly, for example, users can create interactive visualizations by adding interactivity to their plots using JavaScript. This allows users to add hover effects, zooming capabilities, and more to their visualizations. Customizing plots and charts using Python. Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn offer a wide range of customization options for plots and charts. From changing the color scheme to adding annotations, there are endless possibilities to make your visualizations more visually appealing and informative. One popular technique is to use data-driven styling, where the style of the plot or chart changes based on the underlying data. For example, you can use a different color palette for different categories or highlight certain data points with larger markers or different shapes. These small tweaks can make a big difference in how your audience interprets the data. Combining data visualization with data analysis in Python. Data visualization and data analysis go hand in hand when it comes to gaining insights from data. With Python libraries, we can easily combine these two processes to create more meaningful and informative visualizations. For instance, we can use statistical analysis tools such as regression or clustering algorithms to identify patterns and trends in our data. We can then visualize these findings using charts or graphs to communicate our insights more effectively. Best practices for data visualization in Python. When creating data visualizations in Python, it's important to keep in mind some best practices that can help make your visualizations more effective. One important tip is to choose the right type of visualization for your data. For example, if you're comparing values across categories, a bar chart may be more effective than a line chart. Another tip is to use color effectively. Color can be used to highlight important information or to group related data together. Another best practice is to keep your visualizations simple and uncluttered. Avoid adding unnecessary elements such as grid lines or too many labels. Instead, focus on presenting the most important information clearly and concisely. Finally, it's important to consider your audience when creating data visualizations. Make sure your visualizations are easy to understand and interpret for your intended audience. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned about the importance of data visualization and how it can be used to gain insights into data. We have also explored the different Python libraries available for data visualization such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. These libraries can be used to create both static and interactive visualizations and can be customized to make them more visually appealing and informative. We have seen how data visualization can be combined with data analysis in Python to gain deeper insights into data. We have also provided tips and best practices for creating effective data visualizations in Python. By exploring these Python libraries further, you can unlock the full potential of your data and make informed decisions that drive business success.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.